Mr. Haseeb Ullah Khan is founder of a pro bono institute named as Professional and IT Training Center Lahore, with a definite aim to educate not only MSS but also professionals and business entities. The main objective of the institute is to provide awareness people of all cadres of life that how, with the help of online facilities, they can save their time, money, and physical effort on a single click. Mr. Haseeb Ullah Khan, to meet his objectives, arranged more than 200 awareness sessions and educated people about their issues regarding online application of CNIC, registration of National Tax Number IENTN, online submission of yearly tax return, registration of company with SECP, registration of trademark, and much more. Mr. Haseeb Ullah Khan arranged sessions of IT awareness for businessmen and professionals in collaboration of SECP, IPO, Punjab Information Technology Board, Punjab Forensics Science Agency, and many more. The efforts of Mr. Haseeb Ullah Khan have duly been recognized not only by His Excellency the Governor of Punjab, but also by the Honourable Justices of Lahore High Court Lahore, who bestowed him with precision medals, certificates and shields, on different occasions. The highest of the recognition for his services received by Mr. Haseeb Ullah Khan is receiving of award by His Majesty of Mr. President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan Mr. Right Alvin. So far as concerned, the credential of Mr. Haseeb Ullah Khan is that he has been Vice President of Lahore Tax Bar Association. He is presently serving as Convener of Legal Education Committee of Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Furthermore, he also has worked as Convener of Regional Standing Committee of Federation of Pakistan. Mr. Haseeb Ullah Khan is like a lighthouse who has served great but received a bit in return. For more than a decade he is putting his ardent and diligent efforts to promote usage of IT and spreading light of awareness in this field, so that the maximum that world has become global village, and whole world is on single click of a button, could be realized true.